Hey guys, morning, and this is my holiday time and I am so lazy right now, and because I've not done my skincare since a long time now, so I think that this is the right time to do. And because I was doing that, I thought I'd film the video as well, and I'll show you what I do for my skincare, probably once a week or something. So we'll be discussing about it, and it's a small procedure. It's not a very huge thing which I go across, and I don't use a lot of products, and it's not a very long routine. It's a very simple and basic thing which I do, which you can do at home as well. It's not gonna look very oh my god, that's like too much, where would I buy this from and where would I get this from. I'm not gonna do that. I am trying to get it as simple as possible, as I do at home. So yes, so without wasting time, let's get to the video. So first thing which I am going to right now do is just oil my hair a little bit with a normal coconut oil which you have at home. I'm going to use this Parachute coconut oil. I think this is the most simplest oil which you can own, and I'll be just taking not too much because I want to wash my hair, and oh, it's stuck badly. Just taking coconut oil and rubbing it on my scalp, and because the bottle is oh my god, I need to place this bottle in warm water for some time, and probably the oil will melt and I can use it for my further use. But because I don't want to do too much, what I'll do is I'll just take random any oil which I have. I'm taking the Johnson's baby oil, and I am just going to take a little bit. Yeah, and I'm just going through till the ends of my hair, and I'm just adding a little bit of moisture so that like when I wash my hair, it does not get me very dry texture because it's winter, it's cold, and usually your hair tends to get drier in this season. I just tie my hair with a clutcher or a hair tie, and yeah, the oiling is done, so my hair is secured. And now till the time my hair is soaking the oil, I'll just finish up my face. So for my face, firstly I'll start off with a clean wet tissue. I'll just take my scrub, and this scrub is from Lotus. You can use any apricot scrub available in your nearby supermarket or anywhere, or you can also make your scrub at home. Granulated sugar, and you can add some honey in it, and you get a beautiful DIY scrub. Also, if you want something a little harder, what you can do is take almonds and crush them, and then that is also a beautiful natural DIY scrub for you. Try to get all the dust out of my face as much as possible. I guess this much is fine, and you just leave this scrub on your face for a minute or two. On my lip, I use a lip scrub. Now this is completely optional. You can use the same scrub which you're using on your face. I am using this scrub from E.L.F, and it comes in a form of a lipstick. It looks like this, and it has scrub on it. This instantly will remove all the dead cells from your lips. So before using the scrub, you should have some moisture on your lips. So I am just applying the baby oil. Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser. It is for normal to oily skin, and you can get this anywhere in any drugstore or pharmacy or anywhere. The myth that everyone believes that if you use a high-end brand, you will get a better skin and you will get a better finish and you will get a better result. I am not saying that they don't do anything to you, but I feel natural. The brand has no impact on your face. I mean, The simplest products sometimes do wonder on your skin, and sometimes the most expensive products do not work for you. So you have to figure out what product works for you and for your skin, and then you can decide over where to spend how much. Anyways, without wasting time, I need to go and remove this off. I have wasted a lot of time. I'll just be right back. See, it has so much of difference. I don't know whether I feel the difference or it really does. You can leave your comments in the comment section below. Did you find any difference by this procedure? Also, now for toning, you can use rose water, which is very easy, or if you want, you can use even your ice, a normal ice from your freezer. Rub it all over your skin and all your pores will be closed and there would be no dirt entering your face. So yeah, I have these ice candies in my freezer, so I keep this and I can use it sometimes. Like, ice also removes all the puffiness off your face, and I will wash my hair now, and you can use the simplest shampoo. I use Clinic Plus and I use TRESEMME conditioner to condition my hair, and I get sorted with it. So I love them. I love those products. I've been using this since a very long time now, and I'm very happy with the same, and you can try that too. Before bathing, I would just apply a raw milk, which is available right now in your fridge, and just damp a cotton bud with the milk and just apply it all over your face. Have a very thin layer. It will help tightening and whitening your skin. Come back for you and show you that how my skin looks after the milk and how my hair looks after washing. I'll be right back. So yes, I'm back with my washed hair and my washed face again, and I'll be just applying a little bit of moisturizer over it. And the moisturizer which I am going to use is Johnson's Baby Lotion. Just take a little bit of it, just this much. Apply it all over my palms first and let all the product be soaked in my palm, and I just give the leftover moisturizer to my face so that my face doesn't soak in more than what it needs. That's it. And I apply a little bit of a lip balm. That could be any lip balm. Right now I'm getting this Body Shop lip balm. It's not a lip balm, it's a lip butter in wild cherry, and I'll just apply it on my... Oh, I love the smell of this, and I'll just apply it, not very precisely, but yes, on my lips, so that I get the extreme moisture. When I go out, I apply a lip balm, a normal one, or probably a tinted lip balm like Baby Lips or something, and then I'm good to go. Also, I do not dry my hair with a dryer or anything. I just let it be and it dries the way it is, and that's it. My skin and my hair routine, which I follow almost every time. I am now going to upload all my videos on Mondays and Thursdays every time. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do not forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. Also, do check my description box for all the details. So yes guys, this was it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.